All right, guys, I got this gorgeous lady. Her hair was all long, and it was so open area right here. And she told me, what did you tell me when you sit in this chair?
That it looked like a comb over.
Okay, what else did you say?
That it was shorter on one side and longer on the
No,
other.
but you said do whatever you think.
Do whatever you want, yeah.
Yes. So what I did, guys. I mean, obviously she's my client, but she came as a great referral. One of my good friend, Ruben Vasquez or Devaz, whatever the name he's using, Mr. Puerto Rico. He likes to wear a white pleated shirt. The Puerto Ricans, you know, they like to show that. Anyhow, so created this beautiful the haircut that really frame her face, because it's very important. The haircut, you can spend a lot of money, but if the haircut is not right, done right, you know, it's like custom tailoring, something very done to really enhance and accentuate your bone structure, bone structure, cheek, jaw, around the temple, and really balance with your features, both directions. So it's very important, you know what I'm saying? How the hair angles. It's very important. So the most hairdressers just cut hair, but I design hair. So I'm not styling hair, I'm not cutting hair, but I'm designing hair. That's why my hair salon called Mario's Hair Designers. So make no mistakes, guys.
I won't make that mistake again.
What mistake? You didn't make no mistake. Okay. So what happens is, because she has a weaker corner, after distributing the hair perfectly and still keeping the side longer, but maybe I did a little overdid, but you know what? I want her to look really trendy and beautiful, and you know, look her very best. So she's definitely a queen because she has her own driver. I told her about the street that they came through. She said, I don't know what street it is. I'm just ride along.
Yeah.
All right, Miss Tanya. Thank you, Mr. Burhan Yıldız. My cousin in Turkey is watching. But also the guys, the back, nice, really neat, clean, but it's not so blocked. That way the hair have a nice movement and bounce. And as you can see, the top is so light and weak, so they're creating this movement and volume. And of course, I styled her hair with a extra volume mousse by Vidal Sassoon. I mean, I like that. Actually, Vidal Sassoon used to have this in his salon, 1994, when of course the line, not this particular one, the line Fido was a vinegar shampoo, I remember, and an olive. Actually, he had like a fish oil finishing glass. It was pretty incredible. But anyhow, the gentleman that created the Fido was a genius. May he rest in peace. I'll always respect him because create the hair product. Amazing. Anyhow, so this is perfectly soft, feathered down, slicing down with the tip of my scissor, guys, and creating this really nice, soft hairline that hugs the neck, and just beautiful, you know. And Miss Tanya, she doesn't really have a lot of time to mess with it, and she likes the haircut just perfect, just wash and wear.
Yeah.
What do you think? And her birthday is coming, so I want her to look really, really younger than whatever that may be. It's not age is a number.
Yes,
you know?
it is.
Is that right? Numbers?
Yes,
Did I say it?
is just a number.
Just a number, okay, cool.
But I'll
cool.
be 69.
Excuse-moi.
Thank you. Yeah, it's next Friday. Oh, wow.
So if you don't look good, we don't look good. See, I tell you, so you have to be really, I put it artistic hair design because you got to really know how to create a haircut out of something that minimize and maximize. Minimize the weak areas, maximize the strong areas. Just like working on your bodybuilding, right? Or creating a house that has a slope. So first you build the foundation foundation is very important. So they don't really put a basement on a flat ground on a house. Maybe it could be a first level, but not basement. But the Ritz-Carlton in Midtown has a first level because Michael Jackson loved staying there. The reason being, he didn't have he hated heights. How I know that? Well, I was an employee there in 1988. How about that? Ladies and gentlemen, serving ladies and gentlemen. That's the credo of Ritz-Carlton. So anyhow, that's what's up, guys. Look at this beautiful layer. Creates a lot of movement because as you can see, this is the top of the ridge. This is the bottom of the ridge. Think of a mountain. You start from the slope and keep going up, right? So create the volume and movement, you know. So you got a beautiful face and you can really wear hair like any shapes, you know. See that? Mira, mira, mira. Me encanta.
Qué lindo. I
Qué
love
lindo,
you.
bellissimo. Mamma mia. Così bella che non ti posso dimenticarti.
I have no idea what you just
So,
said.
many years ago, it was 1995. I was at the restaurant. It was my part-time job in Nashville, Tennessee. It's called Caesars. And the owner was Italian, of course. Everybody Italian. So there was this girl. I had my eye on her, and she spoke no English.
Oh, okay.
So I asked the chef, his name was Vito. I said, Vito, you gotta tell me you're so beautiful I can never forget you. So he taught me, and it always stuck with me. Tu sei così bella che non ti posso dimenticarti. You're so beautiful I can never forget you. Which I love the language very much.
Yes,
The Latin language is one of my favorite languages. But Italian, so anyhow, she was definitely beautiful. So I spent $7,000, 2002, at the Vidal Academy artistic course, 7,000.
Good for you.
So you know, and they actually one of the model had a haircut very similar, and they had a cat suit, tight body suits,
okay.
different colors. They were Russian models. So yeah, it was a beautiful thing. Stacy Burkham and I forgot the other guy's name. Richard. They were my instructors. What do you think?
Beautiful. Thank you.
How about that? You can do all angles, guys.
Yeah.
Check it out. I know so soon as I'm going to post it in their site. Sometimes I get criticism, but that's okay. I can take it, bring it on, baby.
It's constructive.
Constructive criticism?
Yes.
What does that mean exactly?
It means that you're going to learn from it.
Bravo. What doesn't break you make you strong. I'm a firm believer. You can always learn from it.
Exactly.
Because he says, Abi yine işinin başındasın. Abi means elder brother, you're on top of your game. Seni seviyorum kardeşim.
Yes, he is.
My cousin, that's my cousin.
Okay.
My dad has only one brother, and that's his son. So I just put a poco. This is very good. I love this product. It's made by Fido. It will I don't know. It's the best product in the world. That's all I can say. I don't want to put anybody else's product down because none of my business. You know. You know, what was the really actress with us and gave her a haircut, and not Humphreys. Humphreys was working for Annie Humphreys. No, but it was a $5,000 haircut. I remember this was in the 70s.
Yes.
Or maybe 80s.
I once had Beverly Sassoon. Was that his wife?
No. Or maybe yeah. Beverly Sassoon.
I had her haircut one time.
Did you? How about that? Well, you had a true with Sassoon graduate maestro haircut. by Mario Yildiz.
Yeah.
I'm a graduate there. London, England. 1994 and 2022. And I'm thinking about going back because they have a really good deal right now with the flights. Unfortunately, I'm not going to say who bought with us soon, but anyhow.